In this video, you'll learn how to create your own website using Systeme.io from start to finish. First, go to Systeme.io and sign up for a free account using your email. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Click on Funnels and then select Create to start a new website or landing page. Choose Build an Audience if you want to collect leads, or Custom if you want a full website layout. After that, pick a ready-made template that matches your style. You can edit everything using the drag-and-drop editor, from text and images to buttons and forms. To change colors or fonts, just click on any element and adjust it from the menu on the left. You can also connect your custom domain by going to Settings and adding your domain there. Once done, click Save and Publish to make your site live. Systeme.io will host it for free, so you don't need separate hosting. That's all you need to build a website fast and easy. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials like this.